What's up, you guys? Today we have a spring capsule wardrobe. I've done many of them on the channel, but I haven't done a spring one in a few years, so it's time for a little update. Today's capsule, I have 12 different items and I'm styling it into 42 different looks. I hope you guys really enjoy. As always, everything mentioned in today's video will be down below in the description bar, and I also have a blog post at the very top. We also have a sponsor for today's video, Everlane. Like literally, they make things out of renewed plastic bottles, recycled materials, and they have some of the cleanest factories on the planet. Most importantly, their designs are so classic and timeless. They're incredibly versatile, and they're just the epitome of modern basics in my opinion. So today's capsule stars 12 different items. Starting with our tops, I have 4 different ones. We have the Everlane 100% organic box tee. This is a medium weight, ultra soft t-shirt, perfect for every day, a very casual touch, and the cropped boxier fit makes it very relaxed. The second top is a sweater. This is the cotton merino V-neck short sleeve cardigan. So feminine and elegant, you can wear it as a top or unbutton it and wear it as a separate cardigan. Third top is a pocket front button down silk blouse. It's very polished and you can also wear it unbuttoned or closed up for 2 different looks. And the fourth item is a black statement blouse. You can wear this off the shoulder or you could bring it up to make cap sleeves. For our bottoms, I have the Everlane high-waisted cheeky straight leg jeans. These are my ultimate #1 favorite jeans. The second pair is a pair of trousers. This is a cream pair that's high-waisted with a taper leg. And then lastly, I wanted something to just show off a little bit more leg, so I featured these high-waisted pair of shorts. Next, we have one dress. This is the Everlane Japanese Go Weave Cami slip dress. This is probably my #1 favorite Everlane dress. Next, we have outerwear. I wanted to go more feminine and elegant, so I have 2 longer pieces of outerwear. The first one is going to be the Everlane Drapey trench coat. It is so relaxed and slouchy and soft. It's not rigid. It is just the perfect slouchy trench coat with all of the best features: a wide notch lapel, roomy pockets, and a flowy fit. Then item number 10 is going to be a COATIGAN. It's a heavy duty cardigan. It's soft, looks so classic like a camel coat, but it's just the perfect in-between weight between a light cardigan and a double-breasted coat. Then items 11 and 12 are going to be shoes. My casual athletic walking shoe is going to be the new Everlane Court sneakers. These feel completely weightless, perfect fitting out of the box. And if you guys never purchased any of their sneakers, they are like the lowest impact of their kind. They use less waste, less energy, less virgin plastic. These are my new favorite pair of sneaks, like hands down. And our 12th item is going to be a pair of pointy-toed, chunky kitten heels. I think this is the perfect walking non-tennis shoe. It is elegant, it has a little bit of a lift, but it's completely walkable for all day long. This pair is an old pair from my personal closet. However, they just released an editor slingback pump that looks exactly like this. And then last but not least, the accessories. I normally don't include these in the count for my capsule wardrobes. I have always 2 bags, and then today I have an extra belt. The bags, I have an off-white bag and then a structured brown bag that comes with a scarf, and I use that scarf as a headband or also as a little ponytail holder. Just one little accessory like this can really add a punch to any of your outfits. The color selection for this year's spring capsule. If you look at my past capsules, I always like to start with the same foundation. I have a denim, a cream color or white, black, and then like shades of tan or a camel color. This is like the foundation that I start with. These are your base colors. And then I add 1 to 2 accent colors, and that really brings personality and the defining character of the capsule. So this year I went with brown and soft blush. Your accent colors are really gonna be based on seasonal things, how your energy is, your favorite power colors. Really just incorporate 1 or 2 things and see what really works well with the base colors that you selected. I hope you guys found this informative. Let's move on to the looks, and I hope you guys really enjoy the looks. I love you so much. Enjoy!